So okay guys, in a very quick one, you are welcome back to my channel, and this is Zionhublogistics. If you are coming across this video for the very first time, today I will be showing you how you can actually fund your Alipay account with this website I'm going to be showing you. Of course guys, I've made a tons of transactions with this website and I'll be showing you the transaction history. Okay, so have you been worried about how you can use your bank card to buy RMB directly, and have you been searching for a website that you can just buy your RMB directly with this website? Don't worry guys, I got you covered. I'll be showing and I'll be showing you completely step by step guide on how you can go with this website to verify your to fund your Alipay account. All right, the beauty part of it is with this website you can also fund your Alipay account and also fund different Alipay accounts. Not the this website is not limited to your account alone. You can also fund someone else's account. All right, and with this website you can fund unlimitedly. All right, I'll also be showing you how you can fund your WeChat account. So guys, without further ado, let's get into today's video. But don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can see more of my content whenever I upload an helpful video like this. All right, so now today's date is let me switch it here. You can see right here that today's date is Friday, 21st of October. So I'll be showing you, I'll be buying 100 RMB. This is my Alipay account. Let me click on me. You can see Zionhublogistics and you can see my balance as 0.00. all right, I'll be funding this Alipay account with this website that I'm about to show you. All right, so let's dive into this website. Guys, this is the website, and you can see that I'm having home, product, search, contact, and my account. So I click on my account to log in my account. Where you are seeing login, I click on login. So I'm going to input my login and I'm going to log in now. I've logged in my account right here. You can see right here that is bringing my email address. So the next thing I need to do now is just to buy RMB with this website. So all I need to do is to click on this search, click on paying service, and once I click on paying service, you can see these are the varieties of RMB I can buy. You can see they have up to 1,000, and this website is very real. I've been using it now is 4 years back. I think since 4 years back, yes, even before toppers have stopped working, I've been using it. So guys, I'll just for this class I'll be buying just 100 RMB, and if you want to buy like 150, you can just come to order amount. Okay, so you click on order amount, then you make your purchase directly. So the next thing you need to do now is just to click on buy now. All right, so I click on buy now. All right, so you can see source. So clicking on it will take me here. Of course, I already have my information, my Alipay information. You can see it there, my username and the Alipay account number. All right, and you can see my contact information right here. So all what I need to do now is to click on pay. All right, so once I click so clicking on that will takes me to where I'm going to make my payment here. So you can see that I have 14.69 14.69. So that is in dollars. You can see they are charging me $14.67. Okay, so the next thing I need to do here is to go and agree with them, and the fee they're paying now altogether will be $15.70. all right, so we are still on the right side. You are still good to go with this. So all what I need to do now is to click on pay now, since I'm okay with it. So this is where it comes to where I'm going to make payment with my card. So all what I need to do now is to input my card details, which I'm going to be censoring this the screen now, so you won't be able to see the details of my card. So let me quickly input it. So guys, I think I'm done with this. I'm done. Let me just put my name. So with this, we are good to go, guys. We are good to go. So I need to just click on, they are charging me $15. Don't forget, $15.70. So all what I need to do now is to click on pay. So once I click on pay right here, it's going to take me to the payment gateway where I need to just log. They are going to be sending an OTP to the number I used to register this account. So let me just wait for this page to load right here. So you can see right here that it has taken me to where I will have to input my OTP. So what I need to do now is to click on the token, which is the soft token option. All right, click on generate token. All right, so they will be sending a code to the number that I used to register. So you can see right here that an OTP has been sent to this number. So let me just wait. I'm just turning on this phone right here. So I need to wait for this OTP to arrive. Okay, so let me just wait a little bit. You can see that they've sent me the token. Okay, so let me just input my token right there. 36. I have 36 5230 5230. All right, so all what I need to do now is just to click on submit, and you can see that the purchase will be successful, guys. So let's wait. So let's wait for this page. You can see right here, guys, bravo. So you can see that congratulations, payment finish. You can see it. So let me just quickly click on my order. So I click on my order. Clicking on my order will take me here. So guys, let's just wait. I want you to see something. You can see here that today's date is 22 of today's date is 21st of October 2022. So you can see the status of this order right here, that is in audit. All right, the next thing I need to do now is to wait for some minutes where this website will have to verify my informations, and once they verify it, I will take you back to my Alipay account to verify it. So let's just wait for them. So guys, after the long awaited period, you can see that this order has been finished. I just wait for like, I think 2 to 5 minutes, so for them to just get everything done. So this order has been finished. So you can see that today's date is 21st of October 2022, and the time right now is saying 6:07 p.m. So you can see it's 20:47. So you can just calculate it, and 17:20 rather. So just calculate the time. So right now what I need to do now is to go back to my Alipay to show you what this order looks like, if I'm deceiving you guys or not. You are going to see it now. Remember, I showed you my Alipay account balance. So let me just minimize it. So this is my Alipay. Before I can even refresh this page, wow, you can see 100 RMB here. It really looks like magic, guys. Let me just go to home. So I refresh this page. You can see that it has been refreshed. So let me click on me again. You can see 100 RMB right here. So all what I need to do now is to click on message to show you that this payment is coming. This payment is coming from these guys. So let me click on this. You can see 100 RMB that someone sent me 100 RMB. Let me click on it for you to see. You can see it right here. This is the what's it called? The website. This is their email address, and you can see that they are the one that sent me 100 RMB around 6:03 p.m. You can check my time right now, that this is my time. You can see my time right here, that this is 6:09. So that is very real, guys. So with this website, you can fund as much as possible RMB that you needed. Do you understand? I will show you my debit alert. They charged me 7,994 naira. Go to my email now. So guys, you can see it here that they debited me 7,994 naira. All right, let's quickly do a simple mathematics. Okay, now you will this is the sorry about that, I'm having a very slight a cough. So now this is 7,994 naira, which they debited us for just 100 RMB. Now let me go to my calculator here. So this is my calculator, guys. Now they charged us 7,994 for just 100 RMB. Now let's divide it by the 100 RMB they charged us. Okay, now equal to, you can see this. Can you see this right here? That's what we are buying this RMB at the rate of 79 naira just per RMB. Guys, isn't that cool? Just 79 RMB. So now this is simply because I did not apply the coupon code. If at all I apply the coupon code, guys, I should be getting my RMB around 75 naira or 76 naira. I am very sure concerning that. So it is simply because I don't have available coupon codes. So if you want to learn completely how this works, I've break down some topics and some courses on how, with this website right here, you can fund your RMB directly. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.